Focus is crucial in hunting, or a small mistake can make the hunter the prey. A hunter is known not only for his strength, but for his silence and his razor-sharp focus. When a lion spots its prey, everything else falls away. His eyes close, blinking, unwavering. This intense focus is the key to his success. Before attacking, the lion crouches down, hiding in the tall grass. It studies the air, making sure its scent doesn't betray its position. Then in the blink of an eye, it charges, reaching speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. As it closes, the lion launches with explosive force. Its massive claws and crushing jaws leave its prey with no escape. It's more than just physical strength. It's a game of patience, precision, and perfect timing. Thank you for watching this short journey of lion confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more powerful wildlife stories.